Karnataka Cabinet approves filing of criminal cases against Royal Challengers Bengaluru and Karnataka State Cricket Association for gross negligence based on the Justice Michael D. Kunna Commission's findings in Bengaluru Stampede case. Kannada actress Rania Rao sent to jail for 1 year in gold smuggling case. No bail allowed under COFSPA for her. Nipah virus scare continues to escalate in Kerala with a fresh case confirmed in Palakkad district. The latest patient is a 32-year-old son of the man who recently died from the infection. The virus is fast spreading, but Kerala government at this point handling it well, ensuring that they are tracking back to all the first primary contacts. In response to the tragic death of Balasore student, Congress party in Odisha and several other political groups have called for a 12-hour statewide bandh. We saw shops and establishments today that were shut. A complete bandh there in most parts of Odisha. 5-member crime branch team, meanwhile, is investigating the case further. Justice Yashwant Verma has challenged the Supreme Court's in-house panel report months after half-burnt currency was found at his official residence in Delhi following a fire in March. Furious over waterlogged pothole stretch outside schoolgirls in West Bengal hit the streets in Bengal's Mahesh Tala. Frustrated by the poor condition of the roads leading to their school, they blocked the road, calling it a death trap, and protested, standing right there. Bangladesh's foreign ministry issues clarification over demolition of Satyajit Ray's ancestral property. Says detailed inquiry reconfirms the building being demolished has no historical or familial link to Satyajit Ray or his ancestors. 7.3 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of US state of Alaska, triggering a tsunami warning. Authorities issued a tsunami warning for South Alaska and Alaska Peninsula. We saw some scary visuals that came in at the start of the day today. UK set to lower voting age from 18 to 16 years by next general elections. Prime Minister Keir Starmer says 16-year-olds earn, they pay taxes, so they deserve a voice in democracy.